Hello and welcome back to this channel where we turn basic things into main character energy. And today we'll be cooking this amazing spicy chana masala. And for that you will need chickpeas or chana. You can soak this for about 5-6 hours or overnight. Use tap water, that would be fine. You will need some whole spices to boil it along with this chana. This step is completely optional, but it adds to the taste. And now it's cooker time. Keep a pan or a shallow cooker and drop in your chanas, your soaked chanas in, and add all of your spices that we just collected. You will add a pinch of salt. This again is optional. I have not seen any difference with adding salt or not adding it while cooking. And here you see I'm adding a bit of baking soda. Again, I really don't know why I added it. I just did. And you will need to add sufficient amount of water so that the chanas can cook. How do you know it's sufficient? Let the chanas sink. Lock her up and let her whistle. Give it a solid 5 whistles. We would like our chickpeas to be soft but with a little bit of bite. We're trying to build flavors, we don't want it to be mushy. Alright, so now it's time to check our chanas. Make sure you squish it between your fingers and see it comes up to this kind of a mushiness. And I don't like these ground spices in my mouth, so I pick them out. It's again optional. If you would like it, you could add it into the mixture. I just got it out. Now it's cooking time. Turn on the stove. Keep a pan. Keep a solid base pan. That's perfect for cooking your chanas. Add in a little bit of ghee, lot of oil, and now it's time for spices. Well, we're really going to be using only one spice here, which is cumin seeds or jeera seeds. Drop them into the oil as much as you like and let it sizzle. And now roughly chop up onions because we are going to be just blending them into a fine paste. Add this paste into your oil and let it cook. We want it to be cooked really well because a raw or a half cooked onion leaves a very bad taste to the curry. So stir it really nice, really aggressively, and add a bit of salt. Well, people say adding salt makes it cook faster, and I've observed that too. I really don't know the science behind it, probably should look it up. And now I'm adding a bit of ginger garlic paste. This was already made at home, but if you are making it at home, don't do it 50s to 50. Do it 60% garlic and 40% ginger. It gives a better taste. Add a bit of water, a little bit of turmeric powder, and stir it really well. We'll now be adding some spices, powdered spices, gram flour, garam masala, coriander powder, and chili powder. Everything I've taken about 1 tablespoon. Add them into the mixture and stir it really well. Garam masala is a very nice ingredient to be added in this because it gives a very thick consistency. So you can see here I made a big mistake of taking the wrong pan, so I had to transfer the whole thing back into another shallow cooker. So that's why I said in the beginning, be careful with what dish you pick. Alright, so I just transferred back here and I'm cooking and cooking, and this is how you know your onion has cooked really well. It leaves a little bit of water and it turns into this brownish mixture. Now I've chopped roughly 3 tomatoes and grind it very well. Add this mixture into your main mixture, and now it's time to cook your tomatoes. Tomatoes also need a lot of time to cook, so we're going to give it sufficient time. I added amchur powder or dry mango powder here. Excellent for the taste it adds to this mixture. And I added the remaining tomato paste into this with a little bit of water, and I let it to cook as long as I felt that the raw tomato taste had vanished. It's all about sniffing and tasting, you guys. Now add the boiled chana that we had earlier cooked and let it boil for 2 3 minutes. I noticed that the salt was a little less, so I added a little bit of salt. These are the final touches, adding a bit of Kasturi Methi and grated coconut. I have taken dry grated coconut that was already available from store. This adds a bit of extra taste, that's all. Again, optional, completely skippable. Final touch is our coriander. Chop coriander and add it to the mixture. Let it get to the consistency you desire. I like it a bit thick. Yeah, serve it, have it hot, have it cold. Enjoy your delicious chana masala. Thank me later. Bye.